Hello friends, welcome back on my channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. In this video what we are going to do is just we have many audio clips and we want to play one by one. So I have write the script. What we are going to do, I'm going to show to you. So here you can see there are the multiple clips and we are going to play one by one. So let me show you that how it's working. This one. Now this one. Third. Okay, so here you can see this is the audio source I have added and this is the script I have written. So let me show you that what I have written. So here is the first thing what I have done is just taken the audio clip so that I can pass multiple audio clips. So basically this is the audio clip array and this is the audio source I have passed here, because if you want to attach any clip, so you need audio source where you will play. So I have attached this one, and you have to always remember that you need one listener, and if you have added a camera here, so by default you have a listener. So if you don't have any listener, so you will not listen anything. So this thing you have to remember, otherwise you will get mental. So here is the thing that this is not useful, so you can just delete it. Okay, so in the start I am getting the audio source. So game object, basically I have added game object this one and I have added audio source here, and I'm getting the audio source, and then this is the script I have written, play audios, and here is the one coroutine. So here you can see L return null, and here what I am doing, this is CNT 0 to all audio clip I am just running through in the loop. So here say audio source dot clip, and in this audio source we are passing number, like this is the 0, so we are passed 0. If number is 1, so we are passing 1 yani ki number second. So after that we are just playing audio source play, and we are playing until unless we are checking that audio source is playing. If it is playing, so it's okay, otherwise we are just going to CNT plus plus, so we are changing number and we are playing second one. So after that, when we are able to run all the loop, we are going here and we are printing, we are running last audio source. So this is the simple script, you can write yourself. I am just showing to you, and it is really very useful when you want to show any story or show any dialogue, so that will help you. And if you want to change script according to yourself, you can change, but this is the basic script to run this audios file. Okay, so hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to give me thanks, so provide thanks on this video, and please like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.